a kú oríire o ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá. Ní báyìí àwọn Awusa ti ṣetán láti fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá, pẹ̀lú gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àtàwọn ọmọ Igbo. Ní báyìí wọ́n ti ní pé ká lé Fulani papọ̀, kájọ lé Fulani dànù because olè ni wọ́n, apànìyàn ni wọ́n, wọn yẹ láti wà pẹ̀lú aláwùjọ wa. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi kò ń ṣe kékeré o. This one another strong one, my brother, my sister. It is happening. Still on the matter, my people, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Now, the Hausas are out and they are of the opinion that henceforth they are ready to support the Yorubas. They are ready to support the Igbos to chase away these Fulani people. My brother, my sister, don't you think this is a great congratulations? This is a big deal for the Yoruba people. Now, we have been talking about this a long time ago, and we have been praying. That's why it is good to pray, to still pray that anything that it will take God to show himself as the creator of the universe, and then that the good Lord should do it. And right now it is happening. It is happening. For this, who would have believed it that the Hausas will by this time separate themselves, remove themselves from the Fulanis? Initially a lot of people will be like, Hausa, Fulani, they are the same. But now, not knowing that this same set of Fulanis have been terrorizing the Hausas since 291 years back then. Till date, they have spied a lot of them, done a lot of atrocities to them. My brother, my sister, this is the time we need to jubilate. We have talked about these times to that number. And thank God, the Hausas are now supporting. They are representing the North. Now ask me a question, where is Fulani representing? They are not part of us. They are criminals. They are only barawo, akpaniyan. In fact, all sort of atrocities are on them. Now thank God for his mercy. Although we have said it times with that number, somebody was of the opinion that all the blood of the innocent ones that these Fulani people have shed, that their blood will definitely haunt on them. That is why God has woken up the Hausas. Bẹ́ẹ̀yin Hausa kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé ń sùn ni? Àwọn arábí yìí wọ́n ti pa yín pakúpa, wọ́n ti ṣe yín ṣekúṣe. Kí ló dé tẹ́ ṣe dákẹ́? Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ń sọ̀rọ̀ látijọ́ yẹ sọ̀rọ̀, àwọn ọmọ Igbo ń sọ̀rọ̀ látijọ́ yẹ dákẹ́. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Now, my brother, my sister, this is a great thing. He has done a great thing. The good Lord has done a great thing. Now, it is not left for the Yorubas. All the Yoruba elders, shame on you. Oju gba mi ti. Now, what excuse do you have? Kí ni excuse tẹ́yin àgbààgbà Yorùbá wá ní báyìí o láti support àwọn Hausa ti jáde tó bá tán? They don't come outside now. So now, all the Yoruba monarchs, where do you want to put your face? If Hausas can come out, that's exactly what we are talking about. Chief Sunday Igboho talked about this, that if the Yorubas can cooperate just like the Igbos have been cooperating, one voice, it is only one voice that can take us to the next level. One voice, and look at what is happening now. Now that the Hausas have come out that they don't want the Fulani, they came out some days ago that they don't want the Fulani anymore on their land, that they have to go anyhow it want to be. Right now, they are now coming that they are ready to support the Yorubas. My brother, my sister, we talked about this, that all this while that the Yorubas have been coming out to shouting that, we want to go our separate ways. If even some traitors in Yoruba land were of the opinion that Emma down alone, entertainer, one entertaining, some Yorubas are not supporting. In fact, they are not supporting till date. They know themselves. I don't need to start mentioning their names. They were like entertainer. She Sunday Igboho ba òun ló fẹ́ gba Yoruba nation. But now, all the Hausas are now ready. They are of the opinion that right now we are in support of the Igbos. We are supporting the Yorubas, that three of us, we should gang together, we should cooperate together and send this Fulani away. My brother, my sister, what are we waiting for? Adura Tigbaniye. You can imagine one of these Fulani professor came out and he was he's a Fulani man. His name is Ango Abdullahi. This man came out, he was like trying to be the mouthpiece of the Northerners. And now the Hausa people came and say, Ogbeni, you are not part of us. You are not an Hausa man. You are not representing us. You be Fulani man. Oga, pack your load and go. We don't need you. Just like what we are doing to the Afeniferis, that the Afeniferis are not representing the Yorubas. That's exactly what this man is. He is a Fulani man. You are not representing us. That's exactly what the Hausas are saying right now. That Ango Abdullah is not representing us. You are a Fulani man. Immediate effect, with immediate effect, we want you to stop. You are not representing us. We, the Hausas, are now ready to take our territory. My brother, my sister, this is no longer funny. I think it can only be God. This had been said times without number. We are not together. We are not a country. We are of different nation. Yoruba is a nation on its own. Igbo is a nation on its own. And then the Hausa, they are nation on their own. It has completed, this treaty, which has completed 100 years, had been made clear that as soon as we get to 100 years, we are good to separate. Now the 100 years is completed, so what are we waiting for? The 100 years is completed. What are we waiting for? That's exactly what it is, my brother, my sister. Now everybody needs to wake up. All Yorubas that are kissing the house of the Fulanis, now they are now hiding their faces in shame. Ango Abdullah, you are not representing the Awusas, but Fulani, the Awusas have come out that this man, with immediate effect, stop talking about representing us. We, the Awusas, don't longer want you people in our territory. It is high time you start packing your load and leave us alone. Now the Hausas are out. We are ready to support the Yorubas and the Igbos to chase out this Fulani, because they have done a lot of harm. They have not done any good at all for the people. My brother, my sister, what do you think? This is exactly what we have been praying for. This is exactly what we have been clamoring for. Yoruba nation, no going back. And right now, a lot of people are of the opinion that the Hausas have done well. They have done well, but it's not left for our own Yoruba people to now cooperate. Are you sure they will cooperate? Somebody is asking a question that all these our elders, what is their problem? How much is that amount that they are giving to them that is making them to be going against the Yoruba nation? The way they are buying everybody in this country, why is it that they are keeping mute? And then somebody answered and said the reason is because most of them, their children are not in the country. Most of them, they have access to private jets, and then they understand that immediately is about to happen. That's what they believe. Maybe they believe that immediately is about to happen, somebody will hint them that, oh yeah, leave the country with the next private jet. But they have forgotten that God is bigger than every enemy of our soul. So you people want to set us up, collect all the money you need to collect and run. It can never work. It will never work. That is why God has woken up the Hausas. Okay, maybe it's like they don't want to listen to the Igbos, they don't want to listen to the Yorubas. Now Hausas, stand up and then make sure you people move out. Now this set of people are ready to bring Chief Sunday Igboho back. In case you don't know, they have made it clear they are ready to support the Yoruba in full. Yes, so my brother, my sister, this is a good news for all the Yorubas, and there is a shame to all the Yoruba elders that are not ready to support the move, because right now God has taken his glory back, and then definitely this set of people are going to suffer. They are going to suffer it. They are going to be in shame. The earlier the better. We have talked about the fact that the president who is a Yoruba man should do the needful by allowing the Yorubas to go their separate ways. Now we talk about the fact that Chief Sunday Igboho needs to come back to the country. Majority of people are still, maybe I don't know what they are thinking. Let us gather ourselves together. Chief Sunday Igboho must be back to the country, because these people, they have set up their own plans, and then we must not continue in this way to be mute about it. My brother, my sister, this is a great development. It's a new development. All the Yorubas, wake up in your numbers, most especially the elders. Thank God, I love what the youth are doing, that Afenifere are not representing us. We are coming out, we are representing ourselves. We don't have any representative that is ready to destroy our destiny. destiny. No, it will not happen. By God's grace, Yoruba nation will be actualized, and right now it will be actualized. Well, brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. On to this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.